নমস্কাৰ সামানুগে নাগালেণ্ড টিভি এক্সক্লুসিভ তে স্বাগত কৰি আছে আমি চিপেন খুং নাগালেণ্ড ষ্টেট ইডিয়া বিশি ডাঙৰ মনটুক সামে সামনা কৰি আছে নাগালেণ্ড লাগা মেম্বাৰ অফ লেজিসলেটিভ এছেম্বলি লেট থোশি ওংডুং মত হোৱাদো নাগা চান্দা নিমিদে বিশি ডাঙৰ নকচাং আছে আজি দিন ডিমাপুৰে নাগা মানুখান জমা হৈ কিনা দাইগে ইয়াদ কৰিছে আৰু দুনিয়া ছাৰি কিনা যা আত্মাগে শান্তি বাবু নিমিদে প্ৰাৰ্থনা কৰি দিছে ইৰু ফিউনাৰেল সাৰ্ভিস তে কিসম অৰ্গেনাইজেশনস আহিছে আৰু লেট থোশি ওংডুং লাগা ভাল কাম ওপৰ দাই লাগা নাম উঠাই দিছে আহিবি আমি খান নাগালেণ্ড টিভি ৰিপৰ্ট শুনি চাব MLA late Toshi Wongdung laga lash Nagaland punchishe. Nakamanukan taike homage dishe. State do ahadin nimide bishibhabna kura leader ekta harishe.
Yamchungwinin Dimapur condolence message. The Yamchungwinin Dimapur YUD is at the loss of word to express our deep sorrow by the sudden dismiss and untimely loss of our tall leader, Sri Toshi Wongdung, Honorable MLA and Advisor IBR, SCRD, and VG, Government of Nagaland. On 1st July 2021 at Delhi, a tall leader who has dedicated his whole life to bring change in eastern Nagaland in particular and to the Naga society as a whole. His loss is a great loss to the eastern Nagas as well as for the Naga in general. His love to uplift the downtrodden people, uphold peace and tranquility among the brothers and neighbors shall ever be loved and cherished by his people and followers. Without a vacuum created by his untimely demise, will be difficult to fill. The good deeds and the legacy left behind will be emulated and remembered by the generation. In his dismiss, the people of Imchungru had lost one of the best young dynamic leader who is committed for overall progress of society. The union convey heartfelt condolence to the bereaved family members and relatives, and tease our grief and pray for the departed soul to rest in eternal peace.
A very good evening to you all. A condolence message to our dynamic leader, late Toshi Wongdung. The Office of the Eastern Imchungru Student Union, WYSU, cannot express the sorrow we feel at the loss of a dynamic leader, late Toshi Wongdung, Advisor, IBR, SCRT, and VG on 1st July 2021. We are deeply saddened to have lost such a compassionate and empowering leader whose deeds affected many of the lives, who has truly lived up to the mission of empowering the many leaders and beyond. But our hope is the legacy you left. May our Almighty God strengthen the bereaved families he had left behind. May his soul rest in eternal peace. Thank you.
Nagaland MLA late Toshi Wongdung achanak mot hoado bishi manu nimide swikar kuribo napare laga kotha ase. Kishim organizations pra late Toshi Wongdung laga mot upor montuk janaise. Nagas kan bishi bhal manu ekta harishe aru tai laga bhal kham khan hodai manu khan laga mon de thakibo. late Toshi Wongdung laga mod pra Manukan laga monde khali jaga panai dia do kitia bi phorta no hobo aru tai ke hotai yat kribo.
The office of the Imchungar Students Union Dimapur has expressed sadness at the sudden demise of our honorable MLA and advisor, Sri Toshi Wongdung, who has passed away on 1st July 2021. In his demise, we have lost a great visionary man. His contribution towards the upliftment of Naga community will be deeply cherished and remembered. At this hour of immense grief, the Union convey our deepest condolences and sympathies to the bereaved family and pray that our Almighty God grant his family and relative peace and comfort to bear this pain of loss. R.I.P.
Hi, my name is Zasola Imchungar. I'm representing NWO, Eastern Naga Women's Organization. I'm the Finance Secretary, and I'll be conveying the condolence message sent by a President, A. Shamtai-pom. The Eastern Nagaland Women's Organization, with heavy heart, expresses our profound grief over the sudden demise of late Shri Toshi Wongdung, Honorable Advisor, Information and Public Relation, SCERT and Village Guard, Government of Nagaland. He was a skilled orator and a visionary leader who has been the main advocate for the upliftment of the Eastern people. His contribution and commitment for the welfare of the Nagas in particular will forever be remembered and cherished. At this hour of pain and grief, the Eastern Nagaland Women Organization extends our deepest condolences and sincere prayer to the bereaved family members. His death has left a void and will be difficult to fill in. Thank you.
Janda bra janai dia do late Toshi Wongdung do Manukhan karune hotai phapna gura manu ase. Tai janda laga khushi aru duk suk hotai ake de rakhi gina nijor laga khushi do biche de rakhi gina kam kuri ahishe. Tai laga mot to pura dunia nimide bishi dangor noksang ase. Organization leaders khan bra late Toshi Wongdung laga khor manu khan oporde enika biya samna gura homoide isor laga morom aru shanti thakibole prathna janai dishe. Late Toshi Wongdung laga achanak mot pra naga manu khan laga monde khali jaga banai dishe. Tai nishna visionary leader do bishi komdi ase aru janda khan dangor noksan mesos kuri ase. Late Toshi zinda thaka homoide kotha nohoi gina kambra manu khan ke seva kurise aru tai laga phal kam khan sob nagas pra hamisha yad kuribo. Report lobole camera person Chua Chinglu aru reporter Jivan Rai, Nagaland TV. Tuitia nimide Nagaland TV exclusive emani thakibo sab manu Nagaland TV sai thaka nimide dhanyabad aru kuknalim.